Where are we with finalising the timeline? Can you bring me up to speed on the budget proposal? What's the latest on the marketing plans? What's happening with completing the design? How are we doing with the sales targets? And now for an important grammar tip. All these phrases, which you can find in the comments, end with the preposition on or with. Where are we with? What's the latest on? You can complete each phrase with a noun or a verb. But if you use a verb, it must take the ing form as it's following a preposition. How are we doing with organising the event, with reaching our targets, with marketing the new product?